So here, over to you, Dean Ma'am.
I extend hearty welcome to all the participants to Samvad series at MIT World Peace University, Pune, India. A very important subject is under consideration for today's MIT WQ Samvad, which is Economic Sutra. Indian classical thought, it talks about four major aims of human life. That is Purusharth, which is all about dharma, earth, kam, and moksha. And dharma is about moral values, earth is about economic values, kam is about psychological values in a way, and moksha is all about spiritual values. And when we talk of economics in very simple terms, it is we say that it is production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services and their management. And the Hindi translation of the word economics we all know is Arthashastra. And when we say Arthashastra, the one great name which comes to our mind is Chanakya. Chanakya Arthashastra, Chanakya Niti, which is basically about economics and politics. Chanakya Arthashastra does not deal much with wealth generation, but it is more about creating an ecosystem where wealth can be generated and distributed. Today's Samvad series is unique and distinct as it is holistic and is beyond Arthashastra and will be helping and enabling all the participants to appreciate economic sutra from multiple perspectives and lenses. So it is in this context that I take this opportunity to introduce distinguished speaker for today's Samvad series, Professor Satish Y. Deodhar. Professor Deodhar teaches economics at the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. He completed his bachelor's and master's in economics from the Gokhale Institute of Politics and Economics.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Please continue. Yeah.
Yeah. So I was talking about you, sir. I was introducing you, and I was just saying that you completed your bachelor's and master's in economics from the Gokhale Institute of Politics and Economics, Pune, and you received PhD in agricultural economics from the Ohio State University. And Professor Deodhar, he has worked on imperfectly competitive market structures, World Trade Organization, agricultural trade, uh, food quality, and CSR issues. And he has conducted various research projects for India Ministry of Food Processing Industry, Ministry of Agriculture, Indian Bank, and Economic Research Service of the US Department of Agriculture. Professor Deodhar was selected as the Hewlett Fellow of the International Agricultural Trade Research Consortium during 2006 and 8, and Professor Deodhar is the recipient of the Outstanding PhD Dissertation Award from the US Food Distribution Research Society and has been honored with the Devang Mehta Best Professor of Economics Award in 2012 and 15 by the Business School of Fair. Professor Deodhar has also been the recipient of the Distinguished Young Professor Award for Excellence in Research from IMA, and he has authored monographs and books. One of his book, Day-to-Day Economics, which he wrote for the IMA Random House Business Book Series, has gone on to become a national bestseller in non-fiction category with more than 60,000 copies sold till date. Professor Deodhar was the pioneer convener of the largest annual computerized common admission test, which is conducted by IIMS for admission to management school. And he has held many administrative positions at IIM Ahmedabad, including admission chair, PGP chair, placement chair, PGPX chair, welfare chair, and warden. Sir is a life member of the Association of Food Scientists and Technologists India and serves on the advisory board of Savida Agricom Limited. He was on the board of Asian Granito Limited as an independent director. He was also instrumental in bringing out the commemorative postal stamp by India's Department of Post in memory of the 18th century Indian statesman Bajirao Peshwa I. So, ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to invite Professor Satish Y. Deodhar for interaction with Samvad series participants. Professor Deodhar will share his valuable insights about Economic Sutra, ancient Indian antecedents to economic thoughts. So, over to you, Deodhar sir, and thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Ernest. Thanks for that kind introduction. I'm happy to be here. because your institution is from Pune, and I also happen to be from Pune. I'm a hardcore Ghati. First 24 years of my life I spent in Pune and studied, as you know, studied in Deccan in Gokhale Institute. So I wish I could one day physically also come. My mother stays there. So